I just needed help getting help. Like,
Is it stuck to the solder?
oh yeah, this way.
Nope. It's towards you.
Wait, what?
Let's do this one first.
It looks great.
It's just alcohol. Yeah, clean it, clean it, clean it. Well, you know, maybe. It's
I
good.
didn't think up like this.
Yeah, it's good. Go slow. We're just warm that up. Can you put it?
No.
Basement game room used to be my shop, wasn't it? Where is?
Oh, look. It goes down to here. This one goes down to here.
All right, come on over. And then stop. Close. Okay, which way do you do it?
Lefty loosey.
Yep. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Metal.
Oh, sorry.
Just keep it still. There we go. You
I
did
hope I
it.
don't
You
burn
did
my
it.
dad.
And then I pull, and it takes off the insulation. See? The insulation's right there. It's just the tube.
Ooh.
Perfect. That's good. And
Glass stuck. Looks like glass.
okay. Start
You wouldn't want that to get
Start the heater. There you go. Flip it the other way. You want, I'll hold the board in you. You just touch that wire. Wire is. Not. And just don't burn daddy. Okay, now you can back away. So we're gonna heat.
here.
Heat both at the same time.